Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, it's going to be a little bit different. I was looking at my old video. Nico Concilio mentioned something about her stories about like doing a beauty room tour, and I just realized I have not updated you guys in my room, and you guys have been seeing it, the fact that it looks a little bit different. So I thought it was a pretty good idea to show you guys a room update. If you guys want to see my old beauty room update, I will be linking it up here for you guys or down below in the description box if you guys are interested. So are you guys ready? Because I think a lot of my room changed, and it has to do a lot with the vibe that I was like feeling, and I really wanted to switch things up. So I did a lot of like cleaning out and throwing away a lot of things and organizing the stuff, and I feel like I am actually ready to show you guys how my room looks now, and I'm very proud of it. Actually, I think I like it more now than before. Let me know in the comments below, what do you guys think of my room when you guys see it, and if you guys have any questions of how to organize these certain things or anything like that, make sure you guys leave them in the comments below. Let's go ahead and get started with this beauty room because I don't want it to be a long video either. But before I start, if you guys are not subscribed and you guys want to be part of my little family, make sure you guys are subscribed and hit that bell notification to know when I post another video. Let's go ahead and get started. And I don't know why I keep clapping. It just keeps happening, but I just do it. All right, let's go. I want to show you guys really quick. This is how it looks when you're going into my room. This is my brother's side that I'm in. It has this closet right here. And you walk in, and obviously you can see my little cat situation. She's always just laying here. She's so pretty, aren't you, Mia? Mia. She's so beautiful. So she's always in my bed. So the first thing I changed in my room was this wall. I changed the wall. I did say that I wanted to paint it white, and I did. I got rid of that frame that I had in the middle that like was like black and white stripes. I just didn't like it. I found that one at Ross, and I thought it was really cute. So all those things are kind of the same. I found this. I think it was at Burlington, and it says beauty begins the moment you decide to be yourself, and I thought that was like really cute to put like on top of my bed. And I had like these hung right over here on top of this frame that I have going on, but I decided to put them up here because I thought it was like a better idea, and it looks really cute when I turn them on at night. I'm losing breath. Okay, and now this is my updated area next to my bed. I used to have a lot of PR boxes right here, but I got rid of them. I just threw them away. I'm like, I don't need these boxes. It was becoming like a problem where I felt like I was just being too much. So I got rid of all of this, and now I have my crystals here that my sister gifted me. I have a picture of me and my boyfriend, and I have all these things. My sister actually gifted me this because my shadow, if you guys seen my video, my cat Shadow passed away like 2 years ago, and you know, she said that this is for Shadow. So I thought it was really cute. And I have my Bath and Body Works. You guys, I'm obsessed with those candles. I literally cannot. And I also have my essential oils here. And what else? Right here, going to the beauty room. These are the lights that I use to film, plus my ring light that I have that I put in the middle. I got these at Amazon. If you guys want me to link them down below, let me know in the comments, and I will do that for you guys just in case you guys are interested. But I like these because I can put these on top of my desk, and I have them there, and they just don't move. They're just really good. And now I have my skincare, all of this. I found this at Marshall's. So you guys, in case you guys were looking for something like this, I would recommend going to Marshall's. You'll find something like this for the wall. It's just too cluttered right there, so I kind of want to organize it and make it look better. So far that is how it's looking on my desk. I actually cleaned it for you guys, so it looks like this. Not much has changed, only the top part I have my hats there, but not much has changed. Everything's the same. The thing that did change it is my makeup drawers. So I'm going to show you guys now here my makeup drawers. I have all my foundations here and setting powders. It's just becoming like too much here for the foundations. I have to get rid of some, but so far I've used all of these, and I really do like them. I actually need to get rid of this Laura Mercier one because it's not my shade, but I really like this. And then this bottom drawer right here, I have all my lashes. You guys know I love me some lashes, but I have I'm trying not to use so many just because I want to use my mascaras over too. I feel like I'm not going to get rid of my mascaras if I don't use them. And then in this drawer right here, we have all the palettes. So I saw my old video and I realized that now I have way more palettes than before. So it's crazy to see how much makeup I have consumed since then. But yeah, so I organized all the Lime Crime, all the ABH ones, Urban Decay, e.l.f., all of these, mostly all colorful ones. And then in my second drawer that I have going on here, this is going to be other palettes that I have that I hardly don't really reach for, only sometimes. But yeah, I have these palettes. And then this drawer, it is my like as special effects one, or my, not really special effects, I don't do that much of it, but I'm learning, and all my paints and my little Get Stones. I do have a link for Get Stone if you guys want to check them out. I have them, and it's an affiliate code. If it is an affiliate code, so just in case you guys are interested, you guys could check that out. I do earn 10% from what you guys buy, so that helps me out a lot. Just wanted to let you guys know because I'm obsessed with these stones. I use them all the time. They're just so good. Now let's move on to the other drawer. I have more drawers here. You guys, have you guys been reading this book? This is A Midnight Sun from Twilight, and it's like the Edward version. I'm almost done with it. I just need all of this left, but it is so good. Honestly, Twilight is a vibe. I love it. So this is my highlight, bronzer, and like blush drawer. This drawer has like, you know, it has a lot, you know, because I also have my liquid glitters here because I feel like I can kind of grab these. You guys, these are so good. Like, you guys have no idea how good these are, and they're so affordable too. Oh my god, this one. And obviously you guys know I'm obsessed with my e.l.f. Pretty Blush. It is just really good. I love it so much. So this is like one of my favorite drawers because I do love bronzer and I love blush so much. So I can literally grab whatever I like here. I also have my ABH brow freeze here because it's easy to just kind of pull this and then grab this. And it fits perfectly here, so I have it there. Now, ignore all of that. If you guys know, if you guys film or anything like that, you know there's always cables around. So this drawer, it is my skincare drawer. And I have my makeup wipes here for any occasion that I need them for. I normally like to use the cleansers, but I don't have that many. So, and I don't want to waste so much. So I have to just buy more in general. And I have this going on. Now, my next drawer, it is going to be my lip drawer. This is the only lip drawer I have. I always try to get rid as much makeup as I can. I pick the ones that I like and I give the other ones away because it becomes too much, you guys. I don't need that much lips, and I'm not trying to, you know, I don't know if you guys have noticed that a lot of like the beauty influencers or, you know, content creators have to get rid of so much makeup. I don't want it to get to that point. I don't have the space for it. So I try to keep whatever I like. And you guys, I'm obsessed with these Le Monster Matte lip crayons. I love these so much. I try not to get rid of these because I actually really do like these a lot. But this is my lip drawer, you guys. Not much, but I try not to be, for it to be too much, you know. And then my next one, it is going to be like my backup stuff. So this little drawer right here, these are all my backups. So like if I run out of mascara or anything like that, my 24-hour brow gel or anything like that, I have it here, which I like. And then these are all my glitters, and these are all my other e.l.f. Pretty Blush. These I'm just kind of keeping for like giveaways or like to give out to my family members if they need blush. But for right now, they're here. But yeah, these are all the glitters. I'm not so much of a glitter fan, but I do like the e.l.f. liquid glitters. These are actually really good because they're easy to use. So I really do like these. They're just really good. So my last drawer, I am not gonna open it, you guys, because it's honestly just like a junk drawer. Like there's not much there. But so far, that is my room tour, you guys. I have not much to say. I had to change a lot in my room because at one point I was feeling a little bit more like overwhelmed with so many things that I had going on. And I started feeling like a lot of anxiety, and I was like, I need a change in this room. Obviously, this room is so tiny, so I feel like I needed more space. But in order for me to have more space, I really needed to get rid of stuff. So that's what I decided to do. I got rid of the PR boxes. I don't need those. I got rid of like the paint in the back. Like, since it was dark, I wanted my room to be lighter. So I just did a lot of that. I changed a lot. I organized. I just made sure to try to organize my life, because I feel like once I organize my life, I feel a little bit better for myself, because I don't feel like too chaotic. So that's what I did. I just saw back then, I saw my video and I realized how much has changed and how much my life has changed since then. And it is crazy. I would have never thought my life would be the way it is now. It is crazy, especially my personal life. Like, oh my God, it's just crazy. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys my updated, more clean vibe kind of room, because my room did change. I feel like I normally always kind of change my style, and I feel like I do like more of a clean room, more bright somehow. I do have my dark colors still, but it's not as dark as it used to be. So let me know in the comments below, what do you guys think? I don't have that much makeup. I do have a lot of makeup, but it could be worse. You know, I got rid of a lot, and I always try to like clean out as much as I can whenever I start getting makeup. I basically separate what I want and what I don't want, and what's going to be for giveaways and all that stuff. So that's it. And also, I will be doing a giveaway in this video. So the rules are, you guys have to just make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel, like this video, and comment down below. And that's probably it. That's all the rules, you guys. Not a lot. Really easy, right? I thank you guys from the bottom of my heart for watching to the end. If you guys are not following me on my Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok, make sure you guys are following me there. And so that is the end. That's the end of the video, you guys. Let me know what you guys think of my little room. I know it's not a lot, but I want to show you guys, since you guys are always seeing like this side of my room, you guys don't get to see like the rest of it. So let me know what you guys think. Thank you guys again, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.